Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix mobile hotspot problem on Windows 10. And as you can see now, I can't turn on mobile hotspot in my laptop. So let's go to fix this problem together. Go to search bar and search for Bluetooth. And if your Bluetooth turn on, then just turn it off. Then close this tab and go to another methods. Go to your search bar and search for device manager. Then click on network adapters. And right-click on your network adapter to update your internet driver. Click on Browse My Computer for drivers. And click on Let me pick from a list. And here, make sure you select the last one version of your network driver. And if you are not sure, then just select one follow my video. Then click Next. Okay, now, your network driver has successfully updated. Then just close this tab. And after this method, your mobile hotspot should work fine for now. Just go to check your mobile hotspot and try to turn it on again. But if your problem's still not fixed, then go to the last method. Just hold Window key plus R to open Run. And type services.msc. Then click OK. And here, just scroll down to find Internet Connection Sharing. Double-click on Internet Connection Sharing. Then change from manual to automatic. Then click Apply. And click OK. Close this tab and go to check your mobile hotspot again to make sure the problem fixed. And don't forget to check your internet connection first. Make sure your computer or your laptop connected to the Wi-Fi or internet. Okay, then try to turn on your mobile hotspot again to check the result. Well, now my mobile hotspot worked perfectly, and I hope your problem will be fixed too. And thanks for watching. If you still have any problems, then just leave your comment below, and we will help you out as possible. And don't forget, if you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and feel free give subscribe to our channel to get the next tutorials. Thanks and bye for now.